Hey people, this is Elite from Great Active. Let's work a bit on twisting our back, our lower back, and at the same time accessing a bit the back part of our straight leg. We're going to take our strap, our Great Active strap, and place it on the middle of the left foot. We're going to take the rest of the strap and just pass it over, across and above our right thigh. From here we're going to take our right hand, grab one of the loops wherever is comfortable for you, close to the left foot. And we're going to start inhaling, extending our head up, extending our spine, and exhaling, just twisting to the left. Now from here we have two options. One option, or actually three options. One option would be to just keep the hand down. Another option would be to grab the strap behind our back and straighten that arm. Another option would be to rotate inwardly the arm and then bring it behind our back and grab one of the loops. And just look to the left, towards the left shoulder and even beyond it. Stay here for 5 breaths and then switch sides. Check it out and let us know what you think.